students. I am Mr. Kadambari Patil Kini, lecturer from Pravin Patil College of Engineering and Technology. So these are the subjects for the information technology. The name of the subject is Digital Technique and Microprocessor. The subject code is 22323. So here we will discuss about the practicals. What are the practicals are there in the microprocessors? So we will see first what are the course outcomes. In the course outcome of the DTM, that is called as the COs, first, test the digital systems, logic families and logic gates. Second, construct combination logical circuit. Third, construct sequential logical circuit. Fourth, use resistors and instruction of 8086. Fifth, develop assembly language programs using 8086. Next, we will start with the first practical. In the practical number 1, to study and verify the truth table of logic gate. What are the logic gate we are using in the computers and in the microprocessors in a digital technique that we can study in the practical number 1. So, we can see the practical number 1. Practical number 1, to study and verify the truth table of logical gates. What are the significance of practical? Implementation of logic circuit with a minimum of logic gates, where basic logic gates are the building blocks of more complex logical circuits. As we can see that the analog signal and digital signal. Basically, the analog signal. What are the analog signal? I am telling you the analog signal is a continuous signal. So the noise in the analog signal that can be moved. But what are the digital signals? The digital signal have some sort of like we can stop somewhere. It is called as a binary, that is a 1 and 0. That is not a infinite, it is a finite number of signals. It is called as a digital signal. These base logic gates are implemented as a small scale integrated circuit or as a part of more complex medium scale. So that can be used in the so logic gates are implemented in a small scale integrated circuit, in a more complex medium scale, that is MSI, or very large scale integrated circuit. Digital ICs gates are classified not only by their logic operation but also the specific logical circuit family to which they belong. Each logic family has its own basic electronic circuit upon which more complex digital circuits and functions are developed with the help of various logical families. So what are the relevant? That is a practical significance. Okay. So the logical gates can be implemented in a small scale integrated circuit, can be implemented in a complex medium scale, or can be implemented in a large scale integrated circuit. Second is here, what are the relevant program outcome? What are the program outcome? So you have to know the basic knowledge. That means apply knowledge like your basic mathematics, science and engineering that can be required for the calculation purpose, how to transmit the data in a computer and store. Discipline knowledge, that means apply information technology knowledge to solve the information technology related problem. That is called as so any problem I can give you, you can solve that. Experiments and practicals, so you have to perform some practicals also for the circuits and all the study material. Engineering tools, which types of tools we are using for this subject like microprocessor and other subjects. So these are the engineering, which type of software we are using for the subject. Lifelong learning, what are the lifelong learning that can be used in your industries? What are the future reference? So that is the lifelong learning. The competency and practical skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills in students. So what you have to develop? Identify what are the pin configuration of logical gate ICs. Test the functionality of that means if I can give you one circuit, you have to test that and how it can be tested. What are the functionality you are using in that? Relevant course like test the digital system, logical family and logical gate. So practical outcomes means what are the output? If the basic logic gates you are using the transistor logic. So what are the practical outcome for that? Then what are the domain related outcomes? So handle your equipment carefully. Follow any safety that is related to the practices. These are the some. So now we have to verify the truth table of the logical gate. So we have lot of gates like basic gates are in the classification of logic gate. You can see that basic gates are NOT gate and an OR gate. In universal gate you have a NAND and NOR gate. Special purpose gate we have a XOR and XNOR gate. So you can see that these are the circuit diagram and practical setup. So these are the NOT gate IC. You can see here there is the input A. You have to attach one transistor. You have to write down some resistor, and then it is your diode. You can see that the D1 is your diode. This is the diagram for, that is a circuit diagram for NOT gate IC 7404. You can see. And what are the truth table? That is Y equals to A bar. That means 0 के जगह पे आपको 1 लिखना है. On the scale of 1 you have to write a 0. You have to write the reverse of that. If there is a 0 you have to write 1. If there is 1 you have to write 0. So you can see that there is a circuit diagram. Total 14 pins are there. Okay, 1 and 2 we are connected with the NOT gate. So 7 pin number is ground and 14 is your VCC. There is a 1 to 14 pins. So these are the here is the NOT gate circuit diagram. You can see the input A, then you can add the NOT gate, then there is a resistor and there is a diode, and what are the output. Okay, so this is for the practical setup, how you can set that. Okay, next is your AND gate. For AND gate you can see the AND gate table, AND gate circuit diagram and logical diagram. Then for the OR gate you have a same. For the AND gate truth table, Y is equals to A into B. That A dot B means A into B. So like 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0 into 0, the output will be 0. 0 into 1 will be output will be 0. 1 into 0, the output will be 0. And 1 into 1, the output will be 1. So this is for a AND gate IC 7408. Okay. So you can see that there is a two input A and B, and we have connected the AND gate, and you will get a 1 output. Okay. Next is your circuit diagram for the OR gate. OR means you have to add the input and you will get output. That means 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So now you can see that there is a two input A and B in the circuit diagram. That is the OR gate IC circuit diagram of 7432. So you will get a output 01111. Next is your XOR gate. So there are different, in the XOR gate you can see that there are also two inputs. 0 plus 0 is 0. I will say you the exclusive addition. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is your 0. Okay, fine. So these are your circuit diagram and XOR gate diagram. There is a diagram for XOR IC 748. So you can see here you have a input A, input B, and you are connected the XOR gate, and then there is a resistor and diode. You will get a connect the LED. What are the resources are required? The resources what are required, what like you have to require digital multimeter, breadboard, DC power supply, IC, LEDs, connecting wires, and digital IC tester. So digital multimeter you require quantity of 2, breadboards are 1, DC power supply 1, IC 1. So what type of IC you are using, that can be required in a resources. What are the precautions when you are conducting switch on the power supply? These are the some precaution you have to follow. Okay. First is procedure. What are the procedure? Make the connection as per logic circuit diagram. You cannot connect, so I can tell you the step how it can be connected. Make the connection as per circuit diagram and give supply voltage to relevant pin. Second, connect the input from source to logic gate as per logic level. Third, observe the output on LED for each combination of input as per truth table. Verify the truth table. Repeat the process for all other logic gates. Okay. So now you have to do the actual procedure. So in the actual procedure, you have to connect the circuit diagram with the power supply. Each and every gate you have to follow. So in the input, 1 means on and 0 means off. Okay, you can see in the observation calculation. For 740 for NOT, if 0 then 1, if 1 then 0. For 7408, we have a two output. Okay, that means 0 0 0 0 1 0. That means 3 times off and 1 time on. Okay, you can see here there is 0 into 0, that means 0, 0 into 0, that means 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, that means 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. 1 means you're on and 0 means you're off. For 7432 OR gate means you have to do the addition. So for the addition, LED status is for 0 plus 0, LED off रहेगा. 0 plus 1 पे LED on रहेगा, 1 plus 0 पे LED on रहेगा, and 1 plus 1 it will be LED on. For XOR gate, 0 plus 0 LED will be off, 0 plus 1 LED will be on, 1 plus 0 LED will be on, and 1 plus 1 the LED will be off. So what combination the LED will be on and off you can see in the observation and calculation. Next you have to do the truth table, which you understand the behavior of logic. Why the truth table is important? Because you can understand when the connection will be on and off. Okay. The first write down the voltage logic level 0 and 1. For 0 that is minus 0V and for 1 that is minus 5V. Pin 7 is connected to the ground and it is pin 14 is connected to VCC. It will be not show the output because connection in a pin 14 and pin 7 are wrong. What are the question? What will happen if pin number 14 is connected to ground and pin number 7 is connected to VCC? It will not show the output because the connection of pin 14 and pin 7 are wrong. It will show the perfect connection when pin 14 is connected to VCC and pin 14 is connected to ground. Okay. पिन 14 अगर ग्राउंड को होगा और 7 को तो रॉन्ग ही कनेक्शन दिखाएगा. Then least number of NOT gates are used in IC 74. So you have to draw this diagram. Further, there are 6 number of NOT gates used in IC 7404. Okay. So these are the practical number 1. Thank you.